Welcome to Hijab 101, where I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about hijabs. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about hijab fabric. Fabric is a whole course in itself, okay? But I'm going to sum it up to my favorite fabrics and the fabrics that I believe every hijabi should have in their capsule hijab wardrobe. And these are just 4 of the most versatile fabrics out there. Starting with my most favorite fabric, we have jersey. Now, jersey is like the sweatpants of hijabs. Jerseys look amazing on everyone. They're the most comfortable fabric. It is opaque, so you're not gonna see through it when you are putting it on your head. You are going to feel super comfortable in this, whether in the summer or in the winter time, especially with the Lala jerseys. I mean, they're super, super breathable. And they're mostly made of cotton, really stretchy material, so you can conform it to your head and make pretty much any style that you want with it, and it sits really nicely on the head. Jersey, you don't have to wear a pin if you don't want to. You can literally just wear it, toss it over your shoulder, and good. It's not gonna slip around, okay? So if you're a beginner, jersey is probably going to be my #1 recommendation just because it is so versatile. We're not gonna stop there. Jersey also comes in prints, okay? Lala Hijabs obviously is the queen of prints. If you are wanting to do prints, but you want that, you know, sweatshirt kind of comfortable vibe, then jersey prints, okay? Now with this, the hijab is the outfit, okay? But you don't have to sacrifice on comfort. Next, we have a crowd favorite. We have Modal. Now Modal fabric has become super popular in the last few years. I want to say it's a cross between chiffon and jersey. It's thin like chiffon, but it's comfortable like jersey, okay? Doesn't just like slide around, whereas Modal needs a little bit more support, okay? So Modal is a little bit more of a high maintenance fabric. You can see that it wrinkles. I usually just take a hair straightener and I just like straighten the edges just to make it sit really nicely, but it is a little bit more high maintenance. You either have to steam it or you have to use a flat iron as you're putting it on, but it looks amazing, okay? So with Modal, it is super breathable, super lightweight. As long as you're wearing an underscarf, you shouldn't be able to see your hair under it. And it's just comfortable. It's beautiful, it's lightweight, easy to wear. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's the best of both worlds. Okay, then of course we have printed Modal. So if you want the hijab to be the entire outfit, then pick up a printed Modal. This is one of my favorites. This is Serengeti. So Modal, again, thin, lightweight, easy to use. I do recommend steaming it or at least using a flat iron to just get rid of the wrinkles. Or you can just strategically hang these up in your closet so that they don't wrinkle. Next is chiffon. Now chiffon is one of those fabrics, I would say it's very timeless. Throughout the years, you'll see chiffon has made a comeback, and I feel like it's one of those fabrics that's gonna stick around for a long time. It is super lightweight, especially this one. It has zero texture, very breathable, very airy, and it doesn't have any of that rough texture that most chiffons do. This is an airy chiffon from Lala Hijabs. This one is beautiful for, you can use it for every day, but it looks amazing with special occasion outfits because it is that more polished kind of fabric. Now I will say chiffon slips a lot, okay? So you're gonna have to pin it in all different directions. You can use fabric tape, whatever you prefer to secure your chiffon. Looks beautiful, looks timeless, but it is definitely more high maintenance just because it is a very slippery fabric. Now there are obviously plenty of other fabrics like satin, satin crinkle, silk, just a bajillion other fabrics, but I'm just focusing on the core ones that I think every hijabi should have in their closet. But if you were to go with those other fabrics, of course, those ones are really good at slipping. So just make sure that you have pins in hand and you secure it in all different directions. You'll see I only have a 1 magnet pin on this hijab, this Modal, and I can like shake it around, move it around, but it's not slipping. If I was to do that with chiffon, it would just slip and slide all over the place. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoy this series. Let me know which fabric your favorite is down below.